All right, so now you're ready to start your project. And at this stage, I will say you have your own source code. So, right, okay, let's take one step back. When you start your project, first project, so there are two cases possible. First case is you have your source code on your machine, or you are the original author of your source code, of your code, right? And it's nowhere on the cloud, so it's on your machine. So at that stage, you will initialize a repository from existing code, and you will use git init command, right? So you can see in the screenshot I'm using in my test project folder, I'm writing git init command, and it's initializing empty git repository basically, right? So that's the very first way to initialize a repository, right? So, but again, here I'm trying to help you in different ways. So this is not about learning git command, this is about learning git command first with best practices, right? So if you pay attention, in the last line here it says .git, right? So what is .git? So we know it initializes empty directory, but why .git? Let's take a look. So .git is a folder. It's a kind of special folder and hidden folder basically. It contains all the information that is necessary and required for your project in version control, right? And all the information regarding your commit, remote repositories address, and so on, they're stored in the .git folder, right? So, okay, if you are really curious, you set up your project with git init command, and you can see .git folder. And if you delete that folder, you know what happened? Your project will no longer be tracked, right? It will not longer repository anymore. Then you have to do git init again. So please, please never delete this folder, right?